How to eradicate moss from artificial turf. Artificial turf is not just for sports arenas anymore. Many homeowners find artificial turf a welcome respite from mowing every week. The turf does need to be brushed once a week, preferably in alternating directions each time so the pile does not flatten. Artificial turf does have a drawback in that it harbors moss and algae the same as its natural counterpart. Removing moss and preventing its growth keeps your artificial turf looking fresh all year long. Things you will need: soft bristled brush or plastic rake. Moss killer. Brush the artificial turf with a plastic rake or soft bristled brush attached to a long handle. This removes the moss from the surface of the artificial turf. Place the moss in a garden trash bag and dispose of it. Allow the artificial surface to dry. For instance, wait for the morning dew to evaporate before applying the moss killer. Make sure no rain is forecast for at least 3 hours after application, as you want the moss killer to penetrate into the turf, not wash away from rain. Spray the moss and algae killer onto the artificial turf. Provide a concentrated application to the entire surface. Do not rinse the moss killer from the artificial turf. The moss killer dries into the turf, killing any remaining spores deep within the surface and preventing new spores from forming. Tips: warnings. Remove leaves, toys or other objects that cover the turf and allow moss to develop.